Hey everyone, I just want to show you why it pays to do it right. Anytime you're doing any concrete construction, on the exterior home. So you can see we're right now in the process of tearing out this staircase and porch. The reason why is the person who built this years ago did not use steel rebar. And what happens is, look at that gap right there. Because there's not steel rebar connecting from the porch to the stairs, and they probably didn't, we're finding right now they didn't do enough concrete footings to be able to support this. What's happening is this structure is separating from the porch, and it caused a danger, right? Whenever one step is different, size than the other, our knees aren't used to it, and we can hyperextend our knees. So what we're doing is we're, tearing it out and rebuilding it. Unfortunately, we have to do this a lot, and it's, so I just really want to show you, what we're doing here. You can tell there's no steel rebar whatsoever. We've been jackhammering here this morning, nothing. Yeah.